In this video, I will show you how to unlock your iPhone without passcode, no computer, no app, no software needed. If you forgot your iPhone passcode and your screen is stuck, don't worry, because you can easily unlock it by following all the steps I show you in this video. But listen carefully, if you skip even one step, this method may not work on your iPhone. So don't skip, watch the full video and follow everything step by step. This method is simple, easy to understand, and works on most iPhone models and iOS versions. So make sure you stay till the end. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this. Also, if this method doesn't work on your iPhone, just comment your iPhone model below. I will try to give you a solution free of cost. Now let's start and unlock your iPhone.